That.
Let the sugar high begin.
Yeah, I mean, you can have one.
Charlie, this one's for you.
Go ahead, sweetie. You can open it.
Ooh.
This is from Grandma and Grandpa. Grandma Blanca and Grandpa Bob.
Can I rip this, Mama?
Go for it.
Oh my god. Overwrap.
What is it, Robbie?
It's a shirt.
Oh, cool.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah.
Yay! Look at that. Oh, look, Charlie, is that an Easter dress?
Oh.
Ooh, look at how pretty, look at that
That is
princess
so
dress.
pretty.
I'm gonna rip it.
Yeah, you can wear it.
Can I rip this up and wear underwear?
I think did Madeline get anything?
I think she did.
What is that?
Life is crap.
Watch her, okay? She's not.
Mommy, can I access, Mama?
Hold on.
Buckle her in on that side.
That's good.
Okay. Hold on.
Hold on, sweetie. We got more things to open.
Yeah, let's open all the stuff. Okay, you got
Charlie,
this.
I think.
With Maddie. Maddie has this.
This is mine.
No, it's Maddie.
Oh, look.
What's that? Charlie?
Look.
Maddie.
Oh,
Maddie.
wow. Matching princesses.
Yay.
Yay.
Charlie, that one's
They're
for you.
beautiful.
Yeah, they're really pretty.
You gotta get these
Look
little
at you,
girls in their
Maddie.
dresses.
Look at you.
Oh.
It fits.
Can wear them when
It's
they
gonna
look
fit.
for eggs.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll try them on in a little bit. What, Rob?
We can wear them when they look for eggs.
Yeah, definitely. Robbie, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.